For this assignment, you are going to need to find a picture that represents something or someone important that's featured in the chapter that you were assigned. And so you can see my example here. I'm going to show you guys how to create one of these in just a second. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so let's say if I'm assigned chapter 1, I'm going to go click on the plus sign underneath. I'm going to make sure that I'm also logged in. You have to click on the little icon up here or on the little three dots, I think, to make sure that you're logged into Google so that you get credit for this. See how my name is shown up here? You want that. Okay, so for me, for chapter 1, I know that family is a big deal. And his family, honestly, is broken. So I'm going to go ahead and type in broken family. And then I'm going to go and try to locate a picture. So I'm going to go to these three dots here, and I have a bunch of options. If I already have an image saved, I can use upload. But in this case, I think I will do the Google search and broken family, okay? Because I had it as my title. That's what comes up as my search. And I think out of all of these, the one that I probably like the best, I don't know, it's hard to choose. I think I'll take this one. Okay, and now I'm going to explain a little bit about why I chose this image. So I'm going to say, in chapter 1, we find out that Frederick Douglass barely knew his mother. He only saw her a few times at night when she would walk 12 miles to see him. He lived with his grandmother until he was 6 or 7, and then was separated from her when he was old enough, not really, to work on the plantation. It was suspected that Frederick Douglass's father was the master. Okay, so I think that fits pretty well. So that is my post right there. So that is what you guys are going to do with the chapter that you are assigned. Make sure that you pick an image that fits something important or someone important in that chapter. And it should be kind of symbolic.